What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning. Hope y'all are well today. Definitely a slower morning for sure. We got SCYX. I see CLPS showing up here. Look at CLPS, man. What is this thing trying to do right now? CLPS is gapping up, though. It's up from 350s to 415s. We'll see what happens there. We got SYNC showing up on the list as well here. Not the best one, though. APTX. Yeah, APTX is gapping up, too. I might throw some of these on my list as well. I don't know. HAPP, RSI, BIMI. Yeah, I mean, ADMP is certainly good. SCYX is good. NAOV. I gotta throw AMTX on the list again, though, here. Because AMTX is gapping up pretty strong. There we go. We got AMTX that we could throw on the list here. Alright, let me know what else you guys see, team. Oh wait, that's the same song we just heard, huh? Hey, what's up, David? Hey, I appreciate that, dude. I and UV short sale restricted. I don't know, man. Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, we're watching QTT as well. I mean, QTT's on the list. You can see it in my title, but honestly, it was a lot better this morning. Now it's kind of looking weak. The only reason I had this one on my list is because it held its gains yesterday. I mean, this thing gapped up from like 260, 270s all the way up to like $4 and something cents, and then it actually held those gains, and it's still kind of holding. I mean, it's technically red on the day now. Here's the previous closing price at like 435, and that'll be significant. My voice is kind of going out. That'll be significant. And so we're watching this around 420, and we'll see what happens with it. TGC gapping up and then failing. ADMP, though, certainly looks good. We're watching $2. 250 up here, obviously. Really, I kind of think 245 might be better, though. Here's 245. We'll mark both of them down, and then we're looking at these highs up here. So, yeah, this is what we're watching for ADMP. SCYX. Alright, we'll go ahead and look at the news for ADMP here, right? Alright, so ADMP's right here. CLPS, yeah, we're certainly watching CLPS. I'm looking at the news for ADMP. The only thing I see came out yesterday in after hours. Yeah, I guess this is when this move started, was after hours. It had news that its Simjipai epinephrine injection products are now available to members of the Walgreens Prescription Savings Club program. And so that's the news. The company's stock finished the day down, but did rebound some this morning, and obviously gapping up nicely here, higher than it was. So yeah, the news for this one again is that their epinephrine injection products are now available to the members of the Walgreens Prescription Savings Club for AD&P. the float for ADMP is 92 million, so it's not necessarily a small float stock. I mean, it's not a small float stock, so we'll see what happens, but it's got a larger float. We also have SCYX, which looks pretty good. This one looks like it's going to be a small float, just based off of how this one looks. Let me look up the float real quick. Yeah, so the float of this one is 19 million, so it's certainly smaller. And so we're watching 950s, 1050s, 1150s, and then 1180s. And so these three levels, we'll also probably watch like this 910 level here, this 905, 910 level down there. And that's probably it for SCYX. We'll see if this one has a catalyst. It's up after Guggenheim initiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating and a price target of $25 per share. We'll see what happens. That's the catalyst. Buy rating placed on it. We'll see. I don't know if I'm loving it. Seal. NAK. We got like ATOS. The other ones I'm watching are like IBIO, but this one looks like a larger float too, I'm guessing. Float of 210 million for IBIO, so not really my style. It's higher after Cantor Fitzgerald initiated coverage with an overweight rating and a $3 price target. That's it for IBIO, so we'll see. I mean, I don't know if I'm loving it. We got AMTX here, which is probably one of the smaller float stocks on the list today. AMTX has a float of 16 million. This is Amidas, and they announced the Carbon Zero Biofuels production process received $16.8 million of solar energy and other energy efficient grants to fund upgrades of the Keys, California plant to support the production of zero carbon renewable energy fuel. So we'll see what happens here for AMTX. Smallest float I've seen today. I'm also looking at like FLDM. Float is 73 million for FLDM. Their COVID test approved in Europe. China backs them. And so, yeah, I mean, we got some levels. It's not the best volume for me right now, but we're watching a few. $9 looks interesting. We're also watching BNGO. Now, BNGO is a real company, and it's sitting at $9 now, so we'll probably watch that. Looking at 925 pre-market high level. We got some higher lows getting put in, which looks okay. We'll watch these lows pretty closely down here. And see what happens for BNGO. This is Bio Nano Genomics, and their stock price was raised by Maxim Group. They had a they were down 17%. They offered shares at $6 a share for an offering. 33 million share at discount. Yeah, so BNGO. This was on the 20th though, so this was here. I guess this is when they did it, was pre-market that morning at $6 a share, but we've since honestly rebounded from that offering. And I see a stock price target raised for this one as the news today. I don't see much else. Let me know if I'm missing anything else aside from those. Those are really the main ones that I'm kind of looking at this morning. We got NAOV as well. I forgot to mention this one. NAOV is 18 million in the float. They entered into a deal with the existing creditors to exercise certain outstanding warrants to buy up to 1.2 million shares at $1.16 per share. So that's the catalyst for this. We'll watch it. I need more volume for it. These are the levels, but we'll see what happens with it. Let me catch back up in the chat. What's up, guys? Good morning. Glenn, Gary, Justin, Chase, CC, Charlie, Wilson, 7. What's up, bro? Electro, 9. M, R, Kane, Tyler, Jason, Mr. B, Jonas, Matar, Rocco, Ace, Steve, Martin, Abdullah, Zach, Lisa, Emmanuel, what's up, dude? Daddy UK, what's up, bro? Charlie, Hassan, David, Mo, what's up, Mo? How you doing, brother? Jai King, what's up, dude? Waste, BMX, Tim, what's up, bro? Good morning, guys. Hey, thanks, Ice Man. Alright. And then, honestly, we got CLPS here. So, CLPS ran a few days ago. The float on CLPS is 4 million. So, this is the smallest float that we're looking at today. CLPS is higher after the company's subsidiary China Link Professional Services announced that they had a 35% stake in Shanghai Share Information Technology. And so it was found out that they had a little bit over a third stake in another company for CLPS. They have indirectly taken ownership of 35% in SSIT as part of the company's growth strategy to diversify their business. We're dropping a little bit here though, so we'll see what happens. But we're dropping some for CLPS. But yeah, it's certainly a slow Friday team, so y'all be careful. SCYX dropping some. Let me know what's your favorite. Like I said, let me know if I'm missing anything. Riot. What's up, Nils? Good morning, Nancy. Rashid. What's up, dude? No, not today. Rashid. I might keep it just me today. I'm good, Yasir. BMRA. Not enough volume for me right now. So yeah, yesterday Bitcoin dropped to its lowest price in a while, almost 28K. We got CLII here, which I kind of missed, but I don't know what the float is. Looks like a small float. I don't see the float here. Oh, it's an acquisition corporation. Is this a SPAC? Is this a SPAC? Does anybody know whether this is an SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company? Somebody let me know. It is an SPAC, gotcha. Appreciate it. Yeah, I figured it was. You know. Am I missing anything? I mean, I see kind of like SYN. Hey, look at a BBIG team. Look at BBIG. It's trying. I mean, we could probably watch BBIG again today if we want. I get BBIG here. Alright. Good morning, guys. Hey, my man, appreciate the becoming a member, bro. Shout out to Ali for the becoming a member. Hey, thanks, brother. Appreciate that, dude. But yeah, look at BBIG. Shout out to you, man. Hey, listen. Y'all be like Ali. You don't have to become a member, but support the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Click the bell. Turn on notifications. Everybody's doing it. Hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. Do it now. Do it now. But yeah. We got ADMP. Still looking good. It's breaking over the VWAP. I don't know what we're going to do with it. But yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Ali. I appreciate that, man. Hey, Ali, I am looking at ADMP. I'm looking at, mostly I'm looking at ADMP. These are really the main watches. ADMP, SCYX. We're kind of watching IBIO. It's a big float, but I guess we're kind of watching it. So mostly though, it's ADMP, SCYX, CLPS, and AMTX. Those 3 or 4 are probably the main watches. Oh, also we're watching BNGO, and recently we're watching BBIG, just because it broke over the pre-market high, you know. But like that's it for now. Sure. Alright, thanks, Ali. Alright. Alright, have I ever used the pattern alert function in Thinkorswim? No, never used that. What's up with the music? Hey, nice, Joel. Hey, I'll have to check it out, bro. I mean, I'm not much of a... Here's the thing, right? There's so... I would use the alert scanners, but it's like, here's the reality. I'm not much of an alert trader. Like, there's so many different nuances to how I trade that I don't know if alerts would be as effective as as a lot of people think they would for my style of trading. Just because my style is a little bit too nuanced for alerts. You know what I mean? Like, there's a lot of different things that have to come together that make me want to buy a stock. And it's going to be hard to make an alert for all of them. Now, I do think now an alert could be good if it's like an alert for crossing over the VWAP with good volume. Then I might look at it and it might help me find some of those a little bit easier. But like, I don't know. Yeah, GameStop's up to $50. Like I said, I don't know what it's going to do short term. I know long term, GameStop, I mean, like I said, unless they do something crazy drastic, really what GameStop has to do is GameStop has to go digital. But it's going to be really hard to compete with GameStop digitally, or with Amazon digitally, and so, I don't know. I'm highly skeptical of GameStop, especially up here, you know. But maybe I'm wrong. It could go to I guess it could go to 100. I have no idea. All I know is that GameStop I'm skeptical of, just because of the company itself, you know. Right, and Steam for sure. And it's got to compete with Steam, Xbox Live, Marketplace, all that stuff. It's not going to be able to do it. You know what I mean? Like, the only reason to go to GameStop is to buy games and maybe consoles. But consoles is, you know what I mean? Consoles, most of the people are getting those shipped to you nowadays anyway. So I think that business, I don't think just the console sales is enough to prop GameStop up long term. I think that everything has already gone digital. I haven't bought a physical video game in 5 years plus, and I think when you consider the aspect of terrible corporate culture for GameStop, just terrible culture for GameStop corporate, not super favorable prices at GameStop. You get ripped off by selling them games, and that the video game market as a whole is moving digital. I just don't like GameStop long term, you know. Obviously, but maybe I'm wrong. I mean, listen, I was saying that when GameStop was at $4, so maybe I was wrong. But I think, I'll put it this way, I think that it's a little bit weird that GameStop is up this high, and I think they're certainly getting some pumps from either hype, corporate, or something. But I guess my logic is like GameStop has no business being up here. It has no business being up here. Anybody that plays video games kind of knows that. Alright, so here's BNGO though. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's certainly not going to be around in 10 years, definitely. I don't think it'll be around in 5 years. If it is around in 5 years, my guess is it'll be a penny stock, like an OTC stock. Like a pink sheet. Speaking of that, let me sign on to Robinhood and like look at how much like put options on GameStop are gonna be, because I'm genuinely curious about put options on GameStop. But like I said, prefacing anything else I say on it, I don't know what it's gonna do. It could go to 100. Who knows, man? You know. I've already signed up to Robinhood. Robinhood, man, what are you doing, bro? Let me try the URL, robinhood.com/login. It worked. Yeah, programming at the very least will teach you how to do some shortcuts. Yeah. Well, let's see. Let's see. I forgot my Robinhood password. Whatever. I'll find that later. But yeah, we're looking at Beyond. What am I missing anything today, team? Am I missing anything? I mean, AMTX is here. Now, AMTX pushed it up to like 480 and then pulls back to 475. I might dip by it a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. I got lots of equity today. I'll say that. I don't know. All I'll say is that Google is your friend with that, brother. All right, cool. Yeah, definitely a slow Friday. I'm gonna call y'all the Alis because y'all are right next to each other. The Alis, you know. Dare is a good buy right now. I mean, have anybody seen the daily chart of Dare? This is a terrible daily chart. This is one of the worst looking daily charts I've ever seen. Like, look at this thing, man. Every single time it ever spikes, it fails. Let's count over the last 3 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's failed 11 times. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys about favorable probabilities and all that stuff, but like, listen. Even the last year, 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it'll go to the moon. Who knows? Dare is not a day trade, it's a long term. I'm not talking about day trading. I'm saying look at Dare, okay? Like let's just be honest here. And I know it's really easy, guys. Listen, I get it. It's super easy to get wrapped up in hype, you know, behind these penny stocks. You got a lot of people pumping them. You got a lot of people saying, these are going to the moon. They're such a great company. You should invest all your money into it right now. You know, I get it. That's what people do. Like, I understand, okay? But what I'm saying here, long term, not short term, not day trade. I'm saying long term. Look at this. If you know anything about technical analysis whatsoever, look at the long term here. You know, I'm sorry. I know. Listen, and we can disagree on a stock's future. We can disagree. Maybe I'm wrong. You know, I'm not mad at y'all for liking it, and y'all can't be mad at me for not liking it. You know, what I'm saying though is that every single time this thing has ever spiked in the last 3 years, it's failed. You know, and it's not like it's been slowly moving up. It's been staying pretty sideways the whole time. You know. You know what I mean? Like, I gotta be honest. I'm not gonna lie to anybody here. I'm gonna tell you guys my opinion, and if it's not what you like, hey, sorry. You know, I don't mean to doubt it. I'm just saying. I mean, that daily chart and that weekly chart is nasty. You know, every time that thing spikes, it fails. You know, so maybe I'm wrong though. I could be wrong. Like I said, please don't get mad at me if I have an opposing view to you. That's not a reasonable thing. But I wish you guys luck. I really do. I'm not. It's not like I'm holding this thing short. I'm just telling you guys about the honest. You know, I'm really just looking at the. Now look at AMTX, and I'm not even saying AMTX is gonna do well. But this one holds its gains a lot more than DARE, and I get it though. Like I said, hype gets behind some of these penny stocks. People buy and they want to pump it up and they want to bag hold and they're just desperately trying to make the price go higher and make the sentiment change. And I understand that, I get it. But like, I gotta read the chart and see what the chart's showing me. You know, so I hope you guys understand. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this has been Zynga. And like, I know that's not what everybody wanted to hear. Like, I get it, you know, but like, I mean, like I said, guys, when you got a daily chart that looks like this, you know. This, you know, I mean, I don't know. What you guys don't understand, for the person saying 2022, the problem with that logic, okay, is that a large percentage of these penny stocks are not even going to be around in 2022. They might be on like the pink sheets. You know, like when you look at penny stocks, guys, and this is an important thing to understand. All right, when you look at these penny stocks, you need to look at them with a big level of skepticism. Okay, these are penny stocks. They're terrible companies, most of them. You know, buying them like they're mid and high caps, buying these like they're Apple, looking to hold them long term, is just going to end up getting a lot of people hurt most of the time. You know, and I get it. A lot of these are low float, and so they're more easily manipulated, and so you can more easily pump these things up with sensationalist news stories, and you can cause a little bit of spike. And if you're bag holding it, it might seem tempting to be like, yeah, there's a buy. If you don't really think your stock is a buy and you try to come here and pump it up and it looks terribly weak, I'm probably gonna tell everybody here it looks super weak, and it's gonna be the counter to what you actually wanted, you know. So a little bit of advice, you know, don't bring me those stocks, you know. Hope you guys understand. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to rag on people's trades or push them down or anything like that. I just, you know, when you got like obvious pump and dumps like that, you just gotta say it for what it is. But OBLN, guys, look at OBLN. And like I said, I do want to say, I could be wrong with Dare. All I'm looking at is the daily chart. That's it. Or the weekly chart, I guess. But, oh, look at OBLN, guys. Yeah. 1 out of 70 are going to go high or most sink back, for sure. 100%. And that's how you have to look at these. And again, I get it. It's kind of a predatory market, where you get a lot of these YouTube channels and people just saying these stocks are gonna go to the moon. And listen, videos like that get more views than me. You know what I mean? Like, if I wanted to get a lot of views, I would start making, you know, stock pick videos like that, talking about these low floaters are gonna go crazy. You know, most of the time they're pumping up their own stocks, people. They're pumping up their own stocks. That's what they do. You know, they're buying a stock and then they're announcing to their, you know, their tens of thousands of followers, hey, this stock's gonna double, you know, and all their following saying, oh, I'm gonna buy that stock, you know, and it's gonna push it up. But it's a predatory market, and if you're trying to invest, watch out, you know. And I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna say this understanding that I might lose like a percentage of viewers here on this stream. Because nobody wants to hear the truth. They want to hear what they want to hear. You know what I mean? But I'm going to say it anyway. OBLN. Cool. Yeah. Hey, I appreciate you being mature about it, Jessica. I appreciate it. Like I said, a lot of people aren't. And listen, like I said, I could be wrong. It might go up. I don't know. I don't know enough about it to really say, well, if it's gonna do good or bad. All I can look at is the history of it. You know what I mean? So I could be wrong. You know, I don't know. Oh, we got CCIV pushing up. Now this one had a lot of people calling it out too. Yeah, me too. I mean, don't we all though, Jessica? You know. Man, look at that. OBLN, we'll see if we got a catalyst here. Yeah. And like, I'm gonna say these things, guys, and I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen though. Like, here's the thing, right? I'm gonna say these things, right? And that's gonna bother a lot of stock pumpers, right? And so the stock pumpers are gonna come at me. I got the funniest comment yesterday. I got the funniest comment. The comment said, all this guy wants to do is in green. He doesn't have any strategies. What? I was 4 for 4 yesterday. And this was a comment on yesterday's video. I was 100% accurate yesterday. I didn't lose at all. Like 0 losses yesterday. His comment was literal verbatim. This guy only wants to end green. Hey, sir, you're right. That's accurate. I do want to end green. That's correct. But to say I don't have strategies because I just want to end green, like, come on now. Y'all are getting desperate out here. Don't be desperate to criticize, you know. Right. Yeah, it's probably just you. But yeah, OBLN's up here. I'm trying to look to see if we get a catalyst. I don't see anything yet. And so I don't know why this is moving. Now, ADMP's interesting. This one, what's the flow for this one? 92 million. So ADMP, larger float, like I said. We'll watch it, but We're gonna keep an eye on OBLM too. SCYX is like a 20 million float stock. SCYX, NAOV, AMTX. Yeah, I see my internet is struggling, guys. I'm sorry about that. Weird, man. Let me exit out of some stuff maybe or something. I'm sorry, guys. My internet's struggling today. Just give me a second. It'll be back. Yeah, just give it a second. It'll fix. Man. Dude, my internet should be perfect. Man, bro, like, I get all these viewers in here, team, and then my internet just craps out on me, man. Shout out to Comcast's doo-doo service, man. Like, what the heck today, man? What's the problem today, you know? Like, my stream just keeps screwing up. What's the purpose, man? What the hell is going on with my internet, man? Sorry, guys. Y'all bear with me. Alright, we good? Is the stream working? I'm looking at my... Honestly, my kilobytes per second is struggling here. It sucks, dude. Like, my... It seems like it's honestly just OBS because my everything else is okay. Why the hell is my stream dying, bro? Super frustrating, guys. My bad. I have a gigabit internet connection. Like, I have 1,000 megabits per second. Y'all want to see what it tells me my internet is right now? This is what it says my internet is. This is like, this should be fine. And so it might be OBS. OBS has been acting a little weird the last few days. But yeah, this is what it says my internet's at right now. This should be plenty, to be honest. There we go. We're back. But man, this is what my internet is right now. So this is like great internet, except for my upload speed could be a little bit higher. But it looks like we're back. I don't know what happened there. OBS has been acting weird. There we go. We're back. Sorry, team. You know, like, look at this. Like, this is my internet right now. You know, I paid for a gigabit. My new computer can finally handle it. It's 1,000 megabits per second. It's 900, but still, I mean, that's plenty. If you guys know anything about internet connection, this is good internet, man. I don't know why it's struggling like that. Yeah. Hey, we're back though. We're all good. We'll take it. Kind of frustrated though, because it's like I just lost like 500 or 100, 200 people here. Yeah. Dumb. Yeah, just refresh it though, guys. We'll be back. Yeah, we're good now. It's back now, but it cut out for a little bit. Yeah, and my upload speed's still good enough, though. I mean, 35 megabytes per second upload speed's pretty solid. You know? That's pretty good, to be honest. That's like a good upload speed. Try to get everybody back in here. Yeah, I mean, I'm using Benzinga scanners. You can check the description out for more info on that. I'm watching AMTX here. We're gonna see what we get. Should I trade right now? I mean, I got enough equity to trade in pre-market, so I guess I can. Just depends. OBLN, guys, still moving up here now. I don't hate this little pullback. We're gonna see. We're gonna buy like 25 shares here early this morning. Feel me? I tried to get filled earlier, but hey. All right, so here's the squeeze. There's 25 shares. There it is. Caught the break. Look at that. Maybe we'll add some down to 6. We'll see. I want to see it hold over 6. Alright, we're in with 50 shares now. Tried to sell some. There's 7s. 5s. 4s. There we go. 7s. There we go. Let's break these highs. There we go. 9, 10, 11, 12s. Alright, we just got out a half there. Alright, we just got out the rest there. So we made a little quick scalp. We'll take that. Taste the adventure. Yeah, bro. Taste the adventure. Like I said, dude, you're gonna, like, listen. You're gonna get banned. Dude, is my internet dying again? Honestly, I'm starting to get really frustrated, man. I don't know what's going on with my internet, but like I'm starting to get kind of pissed off here. Like, this is ridiculous. Nah. Honestly, I'm super frustrated at this point in time. Like, I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my internet, guys. I apologize. Honestly, I'm pretty frustrated at this point in time. What? Yeah, first world problems. Nah, I was going to make sure my internet was okay. I'm not, like, mad. I mean, I'm mad, don't get it wrong. But, like, I mean, we'll be alright. Listen, this channel will survive. But it just sucks, because it's like you pay for this super expensive internet, Comcast, and then you just got doo-doo internet all of a sudden. I don't know why it's struggling today. It was kind of struggling yesterday, too. But, like, ping's good, download speed's good, upload speed's good. Run it. Yeah, see, it's dying again, man. What the hell's wrong with my internet today, dude? Yeah. me check my settings here for yeah, I certainly got to be careful buying positions. Streaming should be fine. I guess I could lower my bit rate. We'll lower it to what, like 6,500. Apply that. That should maybe help it go a little bit smoother. But dumb. Okay, fling shot, get out of here, bro. What's the point of trolling, man? Yeah. Hey, I'm glad we found out the troll. Thank you for showing me yourself, fling shot. I appreciate that. Yeah, we're back. I mean, we're good. Like I said, I gotta find my headphones, but like, my internet's struggling, man, struggling. The weather's alright. Yeah, we made some money on OBLN. We'll see what happens now. I missed out on some profits, clearly. I was thinking about the $6 pullback. But one of my strategies for pre-market that has honestly worked super well lately is, like, you got a really weak red day, and then in pre-market specifically, you break and pull a red to green move in pre-market. So it's like you can see OBLN, big runs the past few days. It was actually red in pre-market. It has since rebounded all the way, came all the way back up, and then held. And so once it held, that's why I decided to buy in pre-market here. But like I said, I think I got to be careful just based off of my internet today. Yeah, it's possible, Joe. Yeah, it's possible. Hey, thank you, David. I appreciate the support, brother. You know, I appreciate that, dude. Hey, y'all just do me a favor. Y'all help me get this stream out there today. Since my internet's struggling, and I think I fixed it. But since my internet is struggling, y'all help me get this stream out there today, you know? Taste the adventure, bro. I'm gonna give you a heads up, dude. Don't try to post your own content on the channel without asking. You're just gonna get banned, bro. I know you're gonna say, but you inspired me and all that stuff, and that's cool, but like, don't post it on the channel without asking, dude. You'll get banned. Just giving you a heads up. I'm not mad. I'm just being honest with you. I've had a few people tell me about Sun W in the last few days, and you can see Sun W's kind of trying to fight its way back. Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, thank you, 9 out of Ben. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that, dude. I know, but the way you get views, brother, is not by, the way you get views, brother, is not by going to other people's streams and trying to promote your own content. That's very frowned upon in most trading communities and really YouTube communities as a whole, and it's just gonna make people dislike you, bro. The way you get views is just by making videos that people want to see and like making high quality videos. Like, that's what people are gonna click on. It's not gonna work to just go to other people's channels and just promote your own content. It might seem like that's the way, and people that really don't have YouTube channels might think that's how you do it, but it's not. And like I said, I'm not trying to be mean, you know, no hard feelings. Y'all go check out my man Taste the Adventures YouTube channel. You know, y'all go check his channel out. I'm not mad at him. As long as you're not streaming, I don't care about promoting you. It's not that. I'm just giving you a heads up, to be honest. AMTX, though, we're watching it. We're still watching OBLN here as well. We'll look for a pullback to 6. I don't know if it's actually going to hold there or not, but we'll see. Yes, sometimes still calling dreams. Yeah, we'll see. I gotta go find my headphones. I lost them. So we're still looking at AMTX. What's the music like? Where did my headphones go? Here they are. Yeah, I know. I'm too nice, man. I know. I know. Don't tell me. I know. I'm too nice over here. Like I said, y'all promote this video because my internet struggled this morning. Now we're finally doing okay, but y'all promote this video. Help my channel grow. Let's get up some views. push the channel, share it with all your friends, you know. You know, we're just a struggling YouTube over here with 430 views, you know. Are we lagging again? Yeah. Still got plugged. Yeah, because I'm too nice, man. They know it, man. They know I'm too nice. I'm too nice, man. Are we lagging again? Nah, no lag. Yeah, I know the cool guy. Honestly, I'm just joking. When I say I'm a struggling YouTube channel, I'm just joking. We had like over 1,000 people here today. We got like 500 people here right now. Help the struggling YouTube person over here. I'm struggling, guys. Help me out, you know. OBLN still push it up. We'll see what happens here. Bingo, still moving up. Trying to break under 9s, though. We'll see if it holds $9. SCYX, not looking that high, but we'll see if it holds over $9 as well. ADMP, still kind of sitting in this choppy, slow, sideways range. We'll see what happens there as well. CLPS, I mean, it's got to hold over 380s for me. We'll see if CLPS can hold at 380s. Hey, thank you. And see, look, we got, you know, we just broke over 500 again. Like, we're okay here. You know, we just broke 500 viewers again. Like, the channel will be okay. But it's just kind of like, come on, man. What's the problem today, guys? What's the problem? Honestly, I'm a perfectionist. If you guys want to know why I get so easily frustrated, I'm a perfectionist here. You know, up until my last Florida beach visit, I had not missed a stream in years. I had streamed every day for like a year and a half. I'm a perfectionist, and so I don't like it when the stream dies, man. Now, we'll be alright, obviously. Yeah, it works super well, Stoke. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing, right? I started trading penny stocks like 4 months ago, and so I'm still kind of in that phase where I'm having good results, but I'm still pretty new to the penny stock market as a whole, and obviously my strategies work. I've had a lot of people that are like, bro, your strategies are killing it in the market, and they work for me. But it's still one of those things where not only do I have to scale up, but I also have to throw some more money in. Like, I've got a $10,000 account basically, and so one of the reasons my strategies work is because I'm able to take so many trades every day. You know, I have a high volume of trades, right? And so because of that, I'm more easily able to end green a lot of the time because I just have a lot of trades to get into it. I'm a scalper. And so you might see me take a trade here and there quickly and then get out and then move on to the next trade. And so even though I'm making like, you know, $5 to $10 per trade, if I'm getting into 10 trades per day, you know, that does add up to give me nice greens. But in the end, what I'm really waiting is to fund my account a little bit more. Yeah, you got to be like this in the trading space for sure, 100%. I appreciate everybody coming back. Everybody that left when they said they, everybody that left when the stream cut out. Thank you guys for coming back. That's loyalty right there, guys. That's loyalty, you know. Because of that, I'll give away 3 ebooks today. 3 ebooks. You know, we're gonna do 3 ebook giveaways today. I'll give away 3 of them. Y'all can pick whatever ebook you want as long as it's on Audible. The winners can pick whatever ebook you want as long as it's on Audible, and I'll email it to you. We're gonna do 3 today. You gotta stick around and watch the stream though, but I appreciate the loyalty, guys. But yeah. OBLN though, man, this thing is still ripping. It's at 640s now. 10,000 account? You must have an offshore account. I don't. So Jessica, I have a cash account. The PDT rule specifically applies to a margin account. I don't have a margin account. I have a cash account. I can day trade as much as I want as long as I have the equity for it. And the only thing I really have to wait for is 2 days to pass after each trades for my funds to settle per the T2 rule, right? But I can, as long as I have the equity, I can trade as much as I want. With a cash account, I'm not restricted by the PDT rule. I have TD Ameritrade. This is TD Ameritrade. This is Thinkorswim, probably one of the biggest U.S. regulated stock brokerages in the U.S. But yeah. All right, so let's look at a 625 level. 625 looks to be holding for OBLN. Really, sounds like Tim Sykes. Really, I think I would prefer to be like the Oprah of ebooks. Like, you get an ebook, you get an ebook, you get an ebook. You know, I want to be the Oprah of ebooks, if you will. You know. They're going to call me John Ebook London over here today, you know. I'm going to be slanging ebooks all day today, you know. Stick around. You know. We got SIFY, OBLN. Am I lagging again, man? Yeah, I think I'm probably getting DDoS'd. Well, there's the stream, guys. Stream just cut out. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we're back. I mean, and hit us with a warrior trading lag. Yeah. I mean, let me call Comcast and see what's up. Hold on, guys. Yeah, sorry guys, we're running into internet issues. It's saying everything looks good, but like, it's obviously struggling. Yeah, that's it, Justin. You know, that's it, man. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm gonna restart my modem, so I'll be right back, guys. So just give me a second, team. Yeah. I'm gonna restart my modem, so just give me a second, guys. Yeah, sorry guys, we're back. I had to restart my internet connection. Hopefully it works. Honestly, I'm still just, you know, super frustrated today. Like, I don't see the problem here. Like, I don't know what the issue is. Man, I thought we were good. Yeah, I don't know why is my kilobytes per second so low here? Like, this is the issue. I don't know if it's my OBS or like what the problem is here. Like, I'm gonna have to upgrade OBS and just use something different. Give it a second. It sometimes takes a second to like reload after it goes down. So just give it a second, team. Like, why is my kilobytes per second down so much already, man? What's the problem? Yeah, YouTube's having some issues is what this actually seems like. There we go. No, there's not really any backgrounds going on. Like, I'm gonna exit out of some stuff here and just try to keep it pretty simple. Maybe exit out of some charts too. Alright. Yeah, I'm looking at it. The problem is my kilobytes per second is not maintaining. I've been to other channels that working. I appreciate it. Yeah, we're struggling over here with internet today. Honestly, it's super frustrating. It's like, hey, my channel's getting big. Hey, let's just screw up the internet. Ugh. What's the problem, man? Why does this keep happening? Yeah, for sure. Cool guy. That's probably what's going on. How do you stop that, though, cool guy? Message me on Discord. You know, because, like, here's the reality, right? When you're going around telling people the truth so they don't get taken advantage of by gurus, that might make people insecure. Yeah. Yeah, my kilobytes per second is just not holding, team. Let me see here. Yeah, even YouTube told me I was struggling this morning. They said your kilobytes per second was lower than it should be. Like, and this is when I started up my stream this morning, so, like, there's something going on with, like, I don't know if it's my internet or what it is. I might need to change my... We'll give it one more second to try, but it's just struggling. Yeah, even mine died for me.